Well, hello everyone. I'm Jill Bloom, Group Publisher of Roofing Contractor, and we are here at the International Roofing Expo 2023 in Dallas, Texas. And I'm so honored to be joined today by John Surratt, the Director of Field Sales for OMG. John, thank you so much for joining me.
Absolutely. Thank you for having me on board.
Well, we've got a really fun conversation to have today about the OlyBond500 small canister kit, or otherwise known as the mini kit. But John, what does everyone need to know about the mini kit? It's really kind of cool.
So it's a newer, basically same formulation product of the OlyBond500 canisters that we have. So the idea of this is to bring another product to the field and give the contractors ease of use on the roof. So just doing small canister kits for repairs, service work, and even doing just small projects.
That's awesome. So why use canisters over, because some contractors use canisters, I think some use cartridges,
Yep.
But what's the difference and why is it better?
Right, it comes with everything included: gun, nozzle, hoses, and mixing tips. Whereas cartridges, you have to bring extra equipment, you have to bring an extra gun, sometimes battery kits, sometimes even a generator, depending on what you're using. So it's less mess for the contractor.
Got it. And so is it easier like for a smaller project as well? Is that why they're smaller?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
So repairs, service work.
There you go.
Yeah,
Everyone's got
exactly.
repairs.
That's
I mean,
right.
Come on. That's like the best thing around, right?
Especially right now.
Maintenance. And so what's when you look at a small canister versus a full size, like what's the features and benefits of that one? Of being,
It's much
full size?
just smaller. If you have doing a small job or repair, big ones weigh almost 100 pounds. So.
Okay, I did not realize they weigh 100 pounds.
Yeah,
All
so
right, that would be something you need probably on wheels.
That's right. You need them on wheels, or they got to be lifting them around over maybe pony walls and stuff like that.
Yes.
The small kits only weigh 40 pounds, so one person could easily carry them around and easy to maneuver. The other big benefit is, once you open them, they're good for 30 days. So,
cool.
if they don't happen to use them all on whatever they're doing, whether it's a repair or a small project, they're able to go back, a couple weeks later if they have another issue or another project to work on. They can continue to use that kit. So there's less waste and less stuff to throw away.
That is awesome. It's
Yep.
always great to know that you can just use a little bit and then use a little bit more tomorrow or even in 30 days, as it sounds like. So where can contractors get the mini kit? How do they, do they tell us more about that?
Any supplier. So
Okay.
all the suppliers in the industry, this is available right now. So go contact your local distributor and get us involved, and we'll see what we can do to get these in the hands of the customer.
That's awesome. And so now, if anybody wants to find out more just about OMG in general, what's the website? Where do they go?
Just go to omgroofing.com or contact your local rep. And if you don't know who that is, there's a search bar on there where you can find the local rep in your area.
Okay. Sounds awesome. Well, the mini kit, that sounds exciting.
That's right.
It's great to know
Exactly.
that's available. Well, thank you so much for joining me today, John.
Yep. Thank you, Jill.
And if anybody has any questions for us, it's roofingcontractor.com. And while you're there, make sure you sign up for all our free content, especially our e-newsletters, our website, our webinars, our podcast. That way you can always stay up to date on all the great information we're putting out, like we are today with John.
Thank you.
And most importantly, stay safe and healthy, and we can't wait to talk to you soon. And most importantly, come to IRE next year as well, so you can check out the OMG booth.
That's right. Vegas, baby.
That's right. Take care.
Thank
Thanks,
you.
John.
Yep, thank you. I appreciate it.